In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Yahoo Mail cache. If your Yahoo Mail feels slow, shows outdated content, or won't load images correctly, clearing the cache is a quick fix. Cache is just temporary files your browser saves to speed things up, but sometimes those files get stale and cause glitches. The good news is, clearing them won't delete your emails. It only removes stored copies of images and files your browser has kept. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. This makes sure you're working with the latest version of the site and can confirm everything after you clear things out. Once the page loads, look to the top right and select the sign in option. Enter your account details as usual. If you use verification prompts, complete those as needed. You'll know you're in when you see your profile and the mail option. Next, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. It helps to have your inbox visible so you can refresh later and immediately see the improvement once the cache is cleared. Now, let's clear the cache on desktop, which is where most Yahoo Mail caching issues happen because Yahoo Mail runs inside your browser. In your browser window, go to the menu in the top right. This is often shown as three dots. Click that menu to open your browser options. Scroll down and select Settings. This takes you into the area where your browser stores site and privacy controls. From there, open the Privacy and Security section. This is where your browsing data lives, including the cached images and files that can affect Yahoo Mail performance. Choose the option labeled Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. When the dialog appears, focus on the storage that actually impacts display problems. Make sure cached images and files is selected. To avoid signing out of websites or losing useful site preferences, leave other items like cookies or browsing history unchecked, unless you specifically want to remove those too. This keeps the cleanup targeted just to the cache. Finally, click Delete Data to confirm. The process may take a few seconds depending on how much has built up. When it's done, return to your Yahoo Mail tab and refresh the page. The first reload might take a touch longer as the browser fetches fresh files, but things should feel cleaner and more responsive right away. Images and buttons should appear correctly, and new messages should load as expected. That's it, you've cleared your Yahoo Mail cache safely and effectively. If you ever notice similar glitches again, repeat these steps and you'll be back to a smooth inbox experience.